It's Tuesday, November 28th. Winding down. What? Who knew? Really? Crazy. It's getting chilly. A little chilly. It's definitely brisk air today. I've talked to you about this before, but I thought it's time to talk to you about it again. This is the She's Birdie personal alarm. I have sold over 100 of these. This is the greatest gift ever. It says it's designed for women, but I suggest it for kids in college, people who live in the cities, who are out at night in the dark, whatever. But anyway, let me just read you what it says. This is a personal alarm, and let me show you what it looks like, first of all. This is all it is, and it comes with a carabiner and a key ring. And you put this on your key ring, and you hook this onto your pocketbook, your belt, put it in your bag, whatever. And if you are the least bit threatened, feeling that somebody's following you, or you want to avoid something that's about to happen, it could even be not only a human being, it could be a dog, right? When you're walking a dog, another dog. And frankly, I think it would work and distract a bear in the woods. So this is an amazing tool. So when you disengage, when you pull this from this sleeve, just pull it open, this light flashes like crazy, and there is a siren, a loud siren. Now, it's not going to ruin your ears, but it is loud and distracting and will deter or distract someone that is following you, whether it's a dog or a person. It's amazing. It's a simple device that will give you time to change the direction of what's about to happen. So it's the She's Birdie personal alarm safety, personal safety alarm. Let me read you what the box says, because I think this tells their mission statement very well. Hello, we're Birdie. In other words, this is the company's Birdie. We care about women's safety and have created a tool to empower women everywhere. With the pull of a pin, our modern, colorful alarm activates a high-pitched 130 decibel sound, and a flashing light. It comes on a solid brass keychain to bring with you around town, on the trail, across campus, or out at night. Carry Birdie with the confidence and listen to your gut. Listen to your gut. That's important. We envision a world where women's safety is a given. Together, we sisters, mothers, and daughters are agents for this change. With every alarm purchased, Birdie gives a percentage of profits to our partner organizations that passionately support women's safety, shelter, and health. Chirp loudly. Hashtag chirp loudly. So this is She's Birdie, and the motto on the side says, carry this with you, make your mama proud. So I love these things, and when I tell you I've sold over 100, I have. It's an amazing gift. $32. Buy them for your children, your friends, your sisters, whoever you know. It is a perfect, perfect gift. Hashtag join our flock. Hashtag chirp loudly. All right. I love this She's Birdie. Love it. So nice to know that it's just such a thoughtful gift. My daughter-in-law gave me one several years ago, and then I found where I could purchase them and sell them wholesale, or buy them wholesale and sell them through the store. So, like I said, sold over 100. Call us. We'll send one to you. 910-692-3528. I think that's all I've got for today. Tomorrow's Wednesday. It's the last Wednesday of the month. And we'll have social knitting in the evening. It'll be great. Getting dark early around here. It's almost dark by 5 or 5:15 for sure. So, all right. I think that's it. I will see you tomorrow.